Calgary police have laid multiple charges against a group of men for alleged assaults. In a turn of events, some of the alleged victims have also been charged. As Helen Pike reports, police believe vigilante justice may be at play.
Investigators charged 6 men and 1 youth. 3 vigilantes police allege used Grindr, a dating app to pose as underage teens and meet up with men. 3 men who police say were lured to the meetup and allegedly beaten were also charged. Police say charges against the alleged assault victims were in relation to arranging to meet a minor for a sexual purpose.
This investigation was a challenge from the very beginning, not only in the initial information that came forward, but then of course the subsequent investigation. And it's not normal that we would be charging a victim on this, but there's compellable information here that an additional offenses had been committed, and we can't ignore that. It would appear on its surface that they thought they were being righteous in looking at potential people who were trying to lure young people, specifically young males, and target them.
It started with one case. On March 14th, a man reported an assault to police. Police say the man told them he showed up at an agreed-on location and 4 people came out of a vehicle. There was an assault, police say, with a baseball bat and replica firearm. Before fleeing, the group slashed the man's car interior and tires. This case led investigators to other alleged assaults and other assault victims. One criminologist says these are jaw-dropping claims.
Vigilantism, for the most part up to now, it's been mostly virtual vigilantism, which is catching them and outing them online. If they're making arrangements for the folks that they've lured to meet them somewhere, and then they plan to deliver a beating or whatever else they're going to do, then we have judge, jury, and executioner, and then we have a real breakdown. And we have a real worry about people believing that it's okay to take the law into their own hands.
Police are continuing their investigation. Helen Pike, CBC News, Calgary.